You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, if you want to learn more British and American English pronunciations of more confusing terms, stay tuned. I've got tons more for this one. British and American are similar here. Ozone. All right, so let's break it down. O, so it's not ozone. Ozone. The stress is on the first syllable. It's quite easy, pretty straightforward once you know ozone. O3 is the formula for the molecule O3 or ozone. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.